Antenna types. There are many types of antennas. Today we're going to focus mainly on surface mount antennas. I've broken them down here in four basic groups. Surface mount or chip antennas, SMD antennas. There are several technologies used. Laminate is very popular, so is ceramic. And as I said, there's some on-ground and ground plane free antennas. This is important to know. Some applications are so dense, so populated, limited real estate, and there might be devices right below the antenna. If that's the case, then an on-ground antenna, such as a planar inverted F or PIFA antenna, would work quite well. The second group of antennas, off-board antennas, such as flex PCB or FPC antennas, and also what we call blade antennas. These are typically rigid or FR4 antenna structures on dielectric material. There are other antennas such as stamp metal antennas. These are, as they are called, stamp metal, so they're a bent piece of metal. And these are typically custom. Also, LDS or laser direct structuring antennas. LDS antennas, you see an example here. They are an antenna structure on a plastic carrier. And finally, external or terminal antennas. I'm showing you an example of some of our antennas. These are typically external mounted on directly onto a connector. Antenna types, pros and cons. Surface mount antennas are less expensive and they are off the shelf, so they're readily available. They have a very high repeatability. They're perfect for pick and place machines and ideal for mass production. FPC antennas, flex PCB antennas, require hand assembly. Should have location pins or plastic carriers to ensure repeatability. Being mindful of cable routing, that's a very important thing, as the cables, RF cable, are an integral part of the FPC structure. Stamp metal are application specific. They are custom made, so there's going to be NRE, there's going to be some tooling. These are upfront costs, and they're typically high MOQs, minimum order quantities. LDS, or laser diffused structuring antennas, are application specific as well. These are custom made. There's a significant NRE and tooling cost, and typically a quite high minimum order quantity.